Welcome to Taste of Portugal. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most popular Portuguese appetizers, octopus salad. Or in Portuguese, salada de polvo. The recipe is easy to make at home, so stay tuned and follow all the steps for a perfect result. Let's get started. As ingredients you will need 1 medium-sized octopus, 1.5 kilograms, 1/2 red bell pepper, 1/2 green bell pepper, 2 onions, 100 milliliters of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, salt and pepper, and a chili pepper if you like it more spicy. Now some tricks to cook the octopus. It is always better to use frozen octopus. There are good quality frozen octopuses on the market. If you buy it fresh, freeze it first. It seems that the ice softens the octopus. Allow to thaw at room temperature. After thawing, wash it well in several waters, until all the viscosity is gone. Pay special attention to the suction cups. Meanwhile, bring the water to a boil with a peeled onion that will help soften the octopus. Do not add salt. I don't usually use a pressure cooker, because cooking is better controlled and the skin of the octopus is more intact, without losing the suction cups, and making it prettier. When the water is boiling, hold the octopus by the head and dip the tentacles first, until they change color. Only then immerse the whole octopus in the water. Let it cook on low heat. Cooking time varies, but with about 40 or 45 minutes will work. You must not touch the octopus with anything metallic. To see if the octopus is cooked, insert a wooden toothpick. It should pierce easily. I don't know the explanation for this, but when in doubt, it's better not to argue. I have always done this and it has worked. Maybe it's a Portuguese superstition. Now, let's make the salad. Clean the peppers from seeds and cut them into small cubes. Peel and chop the onion. After cooling down, cut the cooked octopus into small pieces and place them in a bowl. Add the peppers and the onion, then mix everything. Season with olive oil, vinegar, salt and pepper and chopped chili pepper. If you like, sprinkle with chopped coriander and mix well. Serve right away. Now it's time to enjoy it. You can eat it as a brunch or a snack. This recipe is a snack for 4 and a brunch for 1. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you have any questions or want to learn a specific recipe, please leave them in the comments.